Welcome back. Google Business Group will be launched in the state on 1st of August. It is a community of business professionals sharing knowledge about Google Web technologies for business success. The group claims that the hotel and tourism industry would be benefited the most.
The main aim of Google Business Group is to connect individuals who belong to business domain. It's not completely technical, but those who belong to business domain and spread the knowledge where people can connect to and spread the knowledge on how Google technologies or other related cloud computing and mobile related technologies. First industry that is definitely going to get benefited will be the hotel and tourism. Lot of time people need to figure out which is the best place, what are the places available, reviews about the users. Generally what people do is, if I'm going somewhere, I'll definitely first search in Google itself if what are the hotels in that area, and it provides the result. But it is the hotels themselves don't know how to properly put that data. That is the first thing. So definitely hotels are going to get benefited.
Kooh Sports conducted a clinic for young football enthusiasts at Don Bosco College in Fatorda on Tuesday evening. The program was organized in association with Salset Football Club. Former English footballer and ESPN pundit Paul Masefield advised local coaches about the techniques of coaching players aged 6 and upwards. Chief Strategy Officer of Kooh Sports, Chirag Patel, revealed that the company has plans of providing sports curriculum to schools in Goa.
Well-known football pundit Paul Masefield believes Goa has a huge potential in football. He also stressed that he is enjoying his role as the technical director of Kooh.
It's been an interesting time the last few weeks, travelling all over the place. Lots and lots of different kids, lots of different schools. I do have to say, the one thing that you guys will know is that I say it straight. We did a session this morning with some kids here in Goa, and it's definitely a standout state. There's no question about that, with the talent and the ability of the children.
On the sidelines of practical training session watched by local coaches, Masefield explained the best way to coach youngsters.
Best way to learn is by playing. That's why we include that into our syllabus of what we do. At the end of a session, we always let them play, because that's the best time. That what we try to do is say to them, what you've learned today, try it. Don't be afraid of failing. If you make a mistake, don't be afraid.
Chief Strategy Officer of Kooh Sports, Chirag Patel, is hopeful of tying up with schools in the state,
where we are going to offer our sports education program, and we are going to offer this free. The reason why we are doing that is that we want to make sure that everybody gets universal access to sports education. So that's the first thing which we are doing. We have already got one school, and we have got 3 or 4 more schools, very nice schools in Goa, who are now supportive of us, and they are going to take our sports education program. The third thing, which is probably the most important question which you are asking, is what are we doing for football? So what you see once again behind us is a start of a awareness campaign about Kooh Sports as a football training specialist. We've done the right things, we believe. We have been extremely successful in the last 2 or 3 weeks in terms of getting interest from various schools and children. And we will do the same in Goa. We will work with the local schools or colleges and try and open up an academy.
Our sports editor Niraj Prabhu with video journalist Chetan Gauss from Fatorda.
If you have missed a bulletin, you can log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa, or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.